Good luck, everybody. We're drawing teams for a 4-box half case of Bowman Sterling Football 2013. Starting with a brand new fresh case of this action. Good luck to you. 30 total spots. We'll pick the boxes after team draw. I'll let you guys that are in the break pick them out. So here we go. In the randomizer 6 times. 6 times. Good luck. JB Woods 44 in the truthy slot. And Big Chooch on the bottom. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Boston Berserker number 1. Drewski Doo Doo number 30. On the teams, we got the Bucks up top. Steelers on the bottom. Again, your 2 combos, Falcons, Panthers, and Browns and Bears. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your dicks. It's number 6. 6. The Cardinals, number 1. The Chargers, number 30. Cardinals and Chargers. All right. Listen up, these are your teams. Boston Berserker Cardinals, Daz Ransom Ravens, Trip Dub the Saints, McDoo the Jets, Richco the Bucks, LJ Maya Bengals, JB Woods the Steelers. Oh man, that's a good spot right there. Bobby Henry the Lions, Burko 007 Giants, Micah CCA Raiders, Bryofia Texans, Vic 2222 Titans and Cowboys, Norland the Falcons Panthers, Firm Team Packers, Amoye Seahawks, Badgers 0821 Rams, Big Chooch the Broncos, Maniac Eagles, D-Link the Colts, Dano Mess Dolphins, Maniac 49ers, Bobby Henry Redskins, J. Ken Patriots, Dub M Jags, B-Ball Bay Z Browns and Bears, Sports Cards Hawaii, Vikings, Pryor's Got the Bills, Paratrooper Chiefs, and Drewski Doo Doo the Chargers. There you go.